Hello class, myself Nikhil, and today I'm going to teach you subject math. I know it's your favorite subject. Today we learn what is fraction. Today we learn in this video we learn what is fraction. It means fraction. Firstly, I am going to understand you what is the fraction. Fraction is a mathematical expression that show one or two parts of a total things. What is fraction? Fraction is a mathematical expression. Mathematical expression. What is this? So it show a part of total things. Total things. That's fraction. The fraction has mainly two parts. Fraction has two part. Fraction has two part. First is numerator. First is numerator, and second is denominator. Denominator. So firstly, we are going to learn what is numerator. What is numerator? Numerator is upper part of the fraction. Numerator is the upper part of the fraction. Okay. What is so? What it is so? It's so a part. It's so one or two parts of the total things. It's all one or two parts of the total things. Okay. Second is denominator. So what is denominator? So what is denominator? It is the lower part. It is the lower part of the fraction. Or you can say it is the total number of the fraction. It is the total number of the fraction. What it is so? It's so total parts of the object, or you can say or things. It's so total parts of the object. Okay. By example, today we are going to understand fraction. Like, how can you find that what is the fraction? Okay. As example, if let's assume you have a pizza. You have a pizza that's divided in four parts. If you taken one part of the pizza, then it is known as 1/4. Means 1/4. You take the 1/4. So in mathematical expression, how can we write 1/4? Means the upper side of the fraction. Is numerator. Lower parts of the fraction is denominator. So upper side means numerator shows number of parts of the total number, and denominator shows total number of the fraction. Okay. I hope now we are going to understand types of fraction. So there are four types of fraction. Okay. The name is first is proper fraction. Second is improper fraction. Third is unit fraction. The fourth is mixed fraction. Okay. Now we are going to understand what is the proper fraction. How can find that is a proper fraction, improper fraction, unit fraction, or mixed fraction. How can it okay? Proper fraction, the definition is if denominator is greater than numerator is known as proper fraction. Like if denominator is greater means denominator is greater than numerator, that is called proper fraction. If means if here 3 and 4, here 4 is denominator and 3 is numerator, here 4 is greater than 3, so means here is denominator is greater than numerator, so it is called proper fraction. Okay. Improper fraction, if it's opposite of proper fraction, if denominator is lesser than numerator, that is called improper fraction. Like 4 by 3, you can, what is the unit fraction? If proper fraction with 1 is known as unit fraction, like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Here is it is the proper fraction also. If the difference is proper fraction and unit fraction is, in unit fraction you can write 1 by 2 also, you can write 2 by 2 also, but in unit fraction the numerator is always 1, so this is the unit fraction. Fourth is mixed fraction. Combination of whole number and proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Like what is the whole number? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. It is the whole number. Combination of whole number and proper fraction is called as mixed fraction. Like example is 2 is the whole number, 3 by 4. It is the proper fraction. How can you find? Here denominator is greater than numerator, so it is the proper fraction. Mixed of whole number is called mixed fraction. Okay. Thank you. So if you like this video, make it subscribe. Thank you.